What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, man. We're about to see if we can go ahead and sell the Maxima here. Got a dealer who's coming out to see it. I'll go over the prices with you guys in a second, but he's already waiting on me. If you haven't already, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, guys, let's go ahead and start this boy up. Let's go ahead and get in this guy. All right, guys, we're going up here to sell the Maxima. Now I'm gonna just go over this with you guys. Now I am going to take a loss on this car. I got another dealer coming, and he actually just wants to pay $13.50 for the car. If you guys haven't watched the old video when I bought this car, make sure you go check it out. But as you guys know, I did pay $14.25 for this car, and he wants to give me $13.50. Now I'm gonna just explain to you guys. Now I'm the type of person, like, you know, I like to flip stuff fast. Like, not even cars, just, you know, I just like to flip money fast, guys. Like, I don't like to have my stuff just sitting around and just, you know, waiting for somebody to give me, you know, the price that I want. I'd rather just sell the car and keep it moving, guys. So for example, this car, everybody has been messaging me trying to give me $1,500. Now I did turn a lot of 1500s down, but guys, I've gotten so many of them that I was just like, you know what, all right, I will go ahead and take the 1500. So when I decided to take the 1500, guys, you know, and I need you guys' opinions on this too, you guys, you dealers. Now I'm used to being up under a Chicago dealership. You know, I live in Georgia, but I'm used to being up under a Chicago dealership. So with that being said, I was able just to give people the titles and like never see them again. You know what I mean? Like, I give you the title and you don't have to, you know, I don't care if you pay your taxes. I don't care if you registered your car or not. You know, like, my deal is over. Like, when I give you the title and I sell you the car and you give me the money, the deal is over when you're an out-of-state dealer. Now, with me being a Georgia dealer now, you know, I got to do paperwork and I got to have the people pay their taxes and everything like that. So the problem comes in when I say, okay, guys, you guys can give me 1500, but then the customer's like, all right, I'll come with 1500. But I tell them, yo, you have to pay your taxes, which is going to be about 200 on this car. And they're like, oh, wow, 200. So that's 17. Like, they don't want to pay it. So you guys let me know, you know, how you guys do it, you dealers, you know what I mean? Because that'd be a problem. Like, I say, okay, I'll take 15 for the car, but you got to pay your own taxes. And they'd be like, oh, that means I have to come with 17. Like, yeah, that means you have to come with 17, you know? So $13.50, man, I'm gonna keep it moving, man. We got that other Sable to buy coming up, so I'm gonna just take that, you know what I mean? But guys, you know, I just want to let you guys know that, you know, I just like flipping stuff fast, you know what I mean? Like, I'll give you guys an example. Like, it's one time I went to Nike Town, right? If you don't know what Nike Town is, it's like the Nike outlet. They supposed to have like better deals. So it was like, I go in Nike outlet one day and they got these pair of shoes for like, they were like $30, man, and they were like reselling online on eBay for like I think it was like 65 bucks. Man, when I tell you I bought like 50 pair, like, they had to stop me from buying shoes. Like, I bought the whole freaking like rack, basically, you know what I mean? So, and then, you know, I turned around and I sold them on eBay. So I just say that to say, guys, like, I like flipping money, man. You know what I mean? Like, I just like selling stuff. You know, whether I can make a profit or not, guys, I'm going to sell the car. You know, that's just the type of person I am. You know what I mean? So lose another $100 and some, but we'll see if he buys it or not. But that's just where I'm at with it, guys. I'll catch you guys in a minute. All right, guys, and just like that, man, he came and got it for the $13.50, man. The car is gone, guys. So I did sell it, guys, so lost some money, man, but it's all good. If you haven't already, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Let me know what you guys think. I value you guys' opinion, but that's just where I'm at with it, guys. You know, I keep the flip moving, you know what I'm saying? Now I got money to go buy another car. You know, my money is not stuck in that car, so that's just how I do it, man. But you guys let me know what you guys think. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace. All right, guys, check it out. This is my boy Buick right here. Check out how clean this boy is now, guys. If you guys remember from my previous video, I'm gonna put the link in the description below. When he first bought this boy, But check it out, man. It looks very, very clean now. As y'all know, the seats was never like really dirty or anything, but all you have to do is put him some mats down. A little dirt over there, but looks way, way better. So make sure y'all check out that old video, man. This boy looking real good. As y'all know, he changed the brakes and everything, so Smug is looking good, guys. I actually didn't think it was could get that clean, but Smug is clean, man. But yeah, just gotta get this mirror here, and Smug will be ready for sale, guys.
Come to the marketplace near you.
Yes, sir.